I made it to Ironwood. Today is February 5th, and I just posted the coordinates a little bit ago for the location where we're going to be having the meetup this year. It's a little bit different than the previous 3 years where we've had it, so I'm really digging this new spot. There's a lot of space. We have designated areas, so there's like a quiet camp, a community area where the community tent is, and inside the community tent is a whiteboard with all of the schedule of events that will be happening here at the meetup. And then we have a loud camp area where all the music, and we're gonna have Hank Topless here to play. Yeah, I'm really excited for everyone to start arriving. We've had several people ask about the coordinates today in our Facebook chat and Facebook group, so those were posted. Let me see if I can flip this around. I don't know if you'll be able to see over there. You can kind of see the top, the black or gray, dark gray top. That's the community tent way over there, in between the RV and the orange van. But just wanted to do a quick update. Yeah, I woke up about 7:30, brushed my teeth, made my coffee. I'm still drinking on it actually, because I have this giant Yeti mug. I'm ready to move on to something else, I think. But yeah, earlier I helped Steve get that community tent set up, and we posted those coordinates. So if you're interested in coming out, do check out our Facebook page, which has all the info, or you can go to mellownomadicadventures and just search for Ironwood Meetup. You'll find the info for this year's event. It's going to be really big, I think. I have a feeling. Last year we had a little over 80 people, and it was a great time. We always have a good time at these events. Where we're at right now, making a pizza quesadilla here in the minivan camper. I just decided to come and do it right here on the floor because it's kind of windy out, and spent some time getting things organized. But yeah, I'm doing it right here because it's sunny on the other side, and I'm gonna probably reposition. But let's give this a flip. You hear it sizzling. Oh yeah, coming together nicely. Have you ever had a pizza quesadilla? Let me know in the comments. camp area called Loud Camp. We'll have the live music here from Hank Topless, Excuse the Wind. Things are coming together. Now it's lunchtime. I'm making a grilled cheese. Have a little garlic salt, Italian seasoning on there. Yeah, people are showing up. Beautiful day. All right, this is the finished result here. Grilled cheese. Who likes grilled cheeses? Let me know in the comment below. See if we can get a little crunch action. That's pretty good. All right, let's see. Jackery is at 90%, almost there. So if you've not heard about this event, it's called the Ironwood Forest National Monument is where it takes place, and we just call it the Ironwood Meetup. And yeah, like I said, this is the 4th year, and we would love to have you here. You can go to Facebook and search for Ironwood Meetup, and you'll find our group, join it, and see what we're up to. And so yeah, this was the update. Peace out, thanks for following. Make sure you're subscribed, and I'll see you all down the road.